Oh, look, it's pretty, huh?
Yes, yes.
Hey, Beth. Morning.
Morning.
I have to tell you something.
No.
Remember how we went trick-or-treating?
What?
We went trick-or-treating yesterday, and you got a lot of candy. Mommy and Daddy ate it all last night. We ate all your candy.
Why?
Because we were hungry.
No.
Yeah.
Does she not have some on my bag?
No, you don't have nothing. I ate it all last night. There's no candy.
I want honey.
But we don't have any more. I ate it all.
Yes.
I ate all your candy. There's no candy anywhere. There's no candy.
I want honey.
Are you mad?
No, I want honey.
Oh, but there's no more.
Please.
There's no more candy.
Mommy.
I'm sorry. We were hungry.
Please.
There's no more. Next year you could go trick-or-treating and get more candy.
No.
Yeah?
No.
Are you mad at us? Huh? Or do you still love us? Do you still love us?